I mean, remember, don't know, it's the boy Yaadman Etan, and we are here in Atlanta. And let me tell you something. It is pretty cold out here right now, but the party will be lit. Because guess what? We are here in the Royal Peacock. You know this video that I did some time ago, the rate me video 1 out of 10. Alright, so Nikita, out of 10, how much should I rate me?
9.
9, mad thing. So, what am I have to do to get a 10 out of 10?
Trim. Your locks not look good or anything, you know, but I don't like a guy with locks, you know.
Listen here, I said, but here's what we're going to do. Right now, Royal Peacock is a Caribbean club, and we're going to run in there and we're going to see how much a girl them rate Yaadman out of 10. People don't know says Yaadman Etan. And what's your name, my dear?
Chantal.
Marie.
And what's your name, miss?
Jayla.
Regina. So what's your name, miss?
Tiana. Kenyetta.
What's your name, miss?
Shanice. Katoya. Asia.
What's your name, miss?
Imani.
Nefertiti. They call me Geechee Nefertiti.
Nefertiti. Chantal. So Chantal, where you from?
New York.
New York. So what are you doing in a Caribbean club?
What am I doing here? I just love Caribbean music.
Oh, you just love Caribbean music. So do you like Caribbean men?
Do I what?
Do you like Caribbean men?
Yes.
Oh, okay, alright. So here's a question. Here's the main question. So rate me on a scale of 1 to 10.
9.
Oh, so okay, alright. So what do I have to do to get a 10 out of 10?
I don't know. Get to know you.
Okay, alright, cool. So probably can wind it later on tonight to get that extra 1 point.
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Thank you very much. I'll see you later.
You're welcome.
Where you from?
Atlanta.
Where you from?
Atlanta.
So what are you doing in a Caribbean club?
We got people from the Caribbean. We got family. We like to dance, so yeah.
So which family?
So my mom's side of the family is from Mexico, and then the islands and stuff like that.
Do you have any family from the Caribbean?
Yes, my aunt, she's from Jamaica, Kingston.
Alright, cool. So, alright, here's the main question, right? I need you ladies to rate me on a scale of 1 to 10. Okay. Alright, I'm trying to look for a wife. I'm trying to get my green card. Alright, you understand?
Okay, so definitely a 9.5.
Alright, so 9.5. So what you like about me?
Your hair is nice. You got a nice outfit on. You're very bold to walk up to people and ask them questions. I'll give you a 10.
Woo! A 10. Yo, this is the first time I got a solid 10 out of 10. Alright, so what you like about me?
I mean, your hair is nice. You got a nice smile, personality, and then you look nice. You do have a very nice smile.
Well, thank you ladies very much. So, one more question. We can get a wine from one later tonight?
Yeah, I will. Maybe. We'll see.
We'll see. Alright, so where you ladies from?
Miami.
So what are you doing in a Caribbean club?
What?
What are you doing in a Caribbean club?
Oh, we represent the culture. What you mean?
From where?
Montserrat.
Montserrat. It's one from Montserrat? Alright, so cool. Alright, so here's my main question. Alright, cool. So here's my main question. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm looking for a green card.
Oh my.
Rate me from 1 to 10.
I don't know your personality, but
I like you.
I like your energy. I'll give you an 8.5, a 9.
Yeah, 9. 9.
So what do I have to do to get a 10?
What is that?
What do I have to do to get a 10?
Like I said, I don't know you, so.
Yeah, because we just kind of met.
Can I get your number?
My number?
Yeah.
Maybe.
Maybe.
You trying to sneak shit into the video, sir.
Okay, all right. So we can wine probably 1 or 2 tonight, and maybe convince you to get the number later on.
Yeah, cause we don't know you. Maybe.
So the waistline of a talk.
You are funny. Look.
So the waistline of a talk.
Yeah.
So the waistline of a talk. All right. Where you from?
I'm from Atlanta.
New York. Atlanta. So where you from? New York. So what are you doing in a Caribbean club?
Excuse me?
What are you doing in a Caribbean club?
I'm training.
Oh, you're training. And you, my dear? What are you doing in a Caribbean club?
I'm just here because they're here. Look, yeah.
So you like the Caribbean man them too?
Yeah.
So you are my green card?
Yeah, man.
Alright, so here's a question, right? So on a scale of 1 to 10, how much would you rate me tonight?
I'll rate you a 9.
A 9? So how come you rate me so high?
Because you're cute and you got dreads. That's what I like.
So what am I to forget a 10?
You gotta have everything. You gotta have the whole package. You have a 10.
So if you have the whole package, how come I don't get a 10?
I said you gotta come with everything.
I have to come with everything. So what is everything?
What's everything?
You probably forget to know me, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so that means I have to get your number later on, right? And you're probably not comfortable giving me your number, so I probably have to wind the number out here, right?
Maybe so.
Maybe so. Yeah. So my dear, how much should I rate me?
I would rate you a 7.
A 7? Alright. A 7. I can take that like a man. So why would you rate me a 7?
Cause like you cute. You cute. So it's like you cute. So a 7.
So what am I to forget a 10?
Well, I don't know you, so I can't give you a whole 10. You might really be a 10, but I don't know you. So
me have to wind the 10 out here as well.
No, not that. I don't know you. Like, I don't know anything about you. I don't even know your name. What's your name?
Them call me Yaadman, cause Jamaica I come from.
Okay.
Where you from?
I'm from Texas.
Texas. So what you doing in a Caribbean club?
It's still in me.
It's still in you. I got you. So here's my main question.
All right, what you got?
All right, so rate me on a scale of 1 to 10.
1 to 10, I give you a, got a mirror here. I'm looking up and down. I'm going to go for a 8.
8. All right, cool. So why you give me an 8?
I feel like that was a fair rate to give. You know, I see the hair, the clothes, the style. I like comedians.
All right, cool. Thank you. So hold on. So what do I have to do is a 10 out of 10?
What's a 10 out of 10?
Yeah, what do I have to do to get a 10 out of 10 from you?
Probably some more muscles.
Yeah. Well, I am going to the gym. Isn't it? Like, trust me, you can't. Yeah, you can't see what's going on under here, but okay. yeah, man.
That's probably a little beef it up a little bit.
Yeah, man. Don't worry, man.
A little more facial hair.
Boy, the gym can't help me with that one there, but all right, cool. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Where you from?
I'm from here, Powder Springs.
And where you from?
Atlanta.
So hold on, I'm confused. What are you ladies doing in a Caribbean club?
Just to try it out, something new.
This is your first time to a Caribbean club?
Yeah.
Interesting. And you waiting
here for the culture.
Alright, so we have some American girls in here for the culture. So ladies, here's the main question. How much would you rate me on a scale of 1 to 10?
I'll give you an 8. You're pretty cute.
Okay, pretty cute. Alright, cool.
I'm gonna give you a 7.5 for your personality. And you're cute.
Alright, cool. So why would you give me an 8?
Because you're cute and like she said, your personality seems cool. You seem like a chill dude.
Alright, cool. So what do I have to do to get a 10 out of 10?
I don't know. I would have to get to know you, I guess.
To get to know me?
Yeah.
Can I get your number?
I fell for that one, I guess.
Alright, you guess. And for you, what do I have to get a 10 out of 10?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I'm drunk.
You drunk? So we can whine you later, forget the 10 out of 10?
What?
We can whine you later, forget the 10 out of 10?
I don't know.
Like whine you?
Oh yeah, that'll give you
Alright, cool. So we can whine and forget the 10 out of 10. So Miss Nefford Titi, where you from?
I'm from Charleston, land of the Geechees.
From where?
Charleston, land of the Geechees.
Okay, cool. So what are you doing in the Caribbean Club?
Cause like I'm not Caribbean, but I'm Gala and I'm Geechee, and we got the same culture. And I appreciate all things come from Africa because I'm from Africa. My soul is African.
Cool. So here's the main question. How much would you rate me on a scale of 1 to 10?
A 15. All that pretty skin. Look at him. He is made for the camera. That's a good face. Good personality, all that. He got the locks well maintained. He clean. He ain't got no bumps. He holding them down for the 2019.
Bumbo clot. Usually me ask the ladies, what me for to get a 10 out of 10, but you give me a 17.
I give you a 20.
A 20, bumbo clot. Yo, me gonna come back for you. Me gonna whine you later on tonight for that, yeah?
I about to go.
Alright, thank you.
But hey, y'all follow me, Geechee Nefertiti. I'm a singer. Boom, a performing artist and an actress. Holla at me.
Pick up yourself. Thank you.
Thank you to this young man.
This is the boy Yaadman Etan, and let me tell you, Peacock, Royal Peacock, hot. I have to take off my jacket in the cold weather for really cool down and thing. You see me I say? So people, if you ever in the Atlanta area, make sure say you check out the Royal Peacock. And a message to my Jamaican brethren them. You see when they come off foreign, no, you know so you can get a foreign girl. You see me I say? The girl them rated me well nice. Alright people, just a big up on the damn self. Yaadman is out.